With that, I want to turn to Dr. Katz, who's been leading the way and working so closely with community leaders, and again, emphasizing how much support and cooperation he's gotten from community leaders in getting these messages out. And Dr. Katz will now update us on this expanded outreach and testing effort. Dr. Katz.
Thanks, Mr. Mayor. And as you say, we've been incredibly happy with the changes we've seen in behavior. A major increase in the number of people wearing masks. And I want to thank the community for hearing our plea and for responding so responsibly. We still have some work to do. Usage is not yet where we need it to be. And people have to remember to include their full mouth and nose in their mask. The way our children do. As the Chancellor was saying, our children can do it. We can all make sure that we have our masks on correctly. I do want to remind people that masks are needed both outdoors and indoors, especially in places of business. Many stores in our city are small stores. There's not a lot of room. It's important that people have the masks so that we don't infect each other or the people who work there. Wear a mask when shopping for groceries at the department store or picking up takeout. It protects the workers and other customers. This Friday begins the celebration of Sukkot. It's a very important holiday in my tradition. It's a time when typically we want to spend with both our family and other families. Fortunately, the Sukkot itself is typically outside. There's no roof because part of the celebration is being able to be directly under the stars. But it's very important that if families are coming together to enjoy being in the Sukkot, that they are not huddled in one part of the Sukkot together. When my family of 4 eats with other families, it's always outside, and it's the 4 of us on one end, a big space, and the other family at the other end. And it does not prevent us from having a great time. It's good to be near the people who are part of your own pod, but it's good to keep a distance from people who are not part of your own family. We can still enjoy each other's company. We can still tell stories together. We can listen to music. We don't have to be all in one spot. We can wear a mask whenever we're not eating. If we do those things, we'll be able to still enjoy our festival without risk of infecting anyone. Our teams are out there distributing masks, palm cards, and sanitizers. You'll find them in the Borough Park Library in Fort Hamilton, out in the Rockaways, and several other places. Our 11 mobile testing sites have been busy, continue to test hundreds of New Yorkers every day. We started our first block party yesterday, and I expect it to get busier as the neighborhood learns about it. At full capacity, we'll be able to test 500 people a day, and when all 6 sites are up and running, we'll be able to test 3,000 people a day. I thank all the community groups who are working with us that are distributing face coverings and giving people the necessary literature. We know that neighbors and peers are credible messengers, and we are grateful for their help in spreading the word to community members. We're going to keep taking all these actions. Again, thank the mayor for giving us the resources to do this so that we can protect all New Yorkers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mitch, and thank you again for your leadership and all the efforts, everyone at Health and Hospitals, Test and Trace, Department of Health, everyone who's out there getting the testing done and getting the word out to the community. And thank you again to all the community leaders who are helping us do it.